There's absolutely no shortage of talented brewers in Traverse City. And at Rare Bird Brew Pub, Tina and her crew brew up some unique and tasty beers that speak to new styles and old-time favorites. Charlie Tinker and Aaron Malone went to visit on Brewing Day. It's tonight's Brewvine.
So today we're brewing Sad Girls. It's a salted caramel stout.
A salted caramel stout in the making at Rare Bird in Traverse City called Sad Girls, with a mixture of chocolatey, sweet, and salty.
So we mash in. We have a lot of roasted grains in there, so that's what makes it a stout, really. Having a lot of the roasted, kind of more burnt chocolatey flavors.
After the mash-in, they move the brew to a boil kettle and let it boil for about an hour before they transfer it all to a fermenter.
Boil it for about an hour, add just a little bit of hops to this one to just balance it out. And then we move it into the fermenter and add the yeast and let it do its thing for a week or two.
While the salted caramel stout is in the tank, the brewing process does not stop. They have an exciting collaboration with Shorts Brewing Company, a pineapple milkshake IPA called Shake Your Pineapple, a tropical twist on a Northeast-style IPA.
You should get a decent amount of pineapple. We're using a new yeast in it. It's from Scandinavia. And you ferment it at a really high temp and it gives like tropical fruit flavors. And then we're also using a new hop called Sabro, which is supposed to have a bunch of pineapple notes.
The love for the process is easy to see when you visit on a brewing day, and Tina says collaborations are a great way to grow.
I love collaborations. I always use it as a learning experience. I'm always open to them. I walk away with a lot at the end of the day, and it's just fun.
For Brewvine in Traverse City, I'm Charlie Tinker.